Here we present the Movement and Training Technologies, or MOTS. The MOTS are three minimalist wearables that provide multisensory feedback in response to movement and are aimed at supporting different types of physical exercises. The Angle Mod provides multisensory feedback in the form of visuals, sounds, and vibrations to support repetitive movements between two target positions. It has a configuration screen to define the two target positions of the exercise. Once configured, it calculates the angle between the two targets and the current angle with respect to them. One can configure other parameters such as the detection threshold or the number of target repetitions for the activity. When the setup is ready, one can start the activity. Here, the activity time and the number of repetitions are counted, while sound, vibrations, and visuals are still present. The Angle Mod can be used to support passive motion therapy. Additionally, it can provide multisensory feedback in other body parts and for other exercises. Once the activity is done, one can finish it and obtain a log summarizing it. The Points mod provides multisensory feedback when arriving to up to 4 positions or points. In order to use it, one has to select and configure the amount of points depending on the target activity. A circle-based visualization shows how close the mod is to each saved position. Additionally, one can configure how precisely the position has to be reached again to trigger the feedback. During the activity, the mod counts how many times each point has been reached. The Points mod can support different activities involving movements towards specific positions in space. Depending on the target activity, one can choose how many points to use and how difficult it is to reach them. The Maze mod consists of a minimalist movement-based game, focusing on the coordination of precise movements. Here, one can configure some parameters of the game, its sensitivity, speed, and duration. The game consists of tilting the device to move a ball up and down the screen, with the objective of avoiding as many walls as possible. Depending on the needs of the activity, one can make the game more challenging by involving weights or resistance. Similar to the other mods, the Maze mod can be used in other body parts to support alternative activities. Once the game finishes, one can see a summary of the stats. We hope you enjoy engaging with the mods.